Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize IBM Watsonx Assistant in Automation Tools, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize IBM Watsonx Assistant in Automation Tools, start by logging into your IBM Cloud account. Once logged in, navigate to the IBM Watsonx Assistant page. Here, you will find the option to create a new instance of Watsonx Assistant. Click on the Create button to set up a new instance. Fill in the required fields, such as the name of the instance, and select your preferred pricing plan. After creating the instance, you'll be redirected to the instance dashboard. Locate the Manage tab on the left side of the dashboard. Under the Manage section, find the API Keys option. Click on API Keys to generate a new key for authentication. Select Create to generate a new API key. Once the key is generated, make sure to copy it and store it in a secure location. Next, open your automation tool where you wish to integrate Watsonx Assistant. In the Automation tool, navigate to the Settings or Integration section. Look for the option to add a new API or web service integration. Paste the API key you copied from the IBM Watsonx Assistant dashboard. Fill in any additional required fields, such as the endpoint URL for Watsonx Assistant. Save the configuration settings in your automation tool. Test the integration by sending a sample request to Watsonx Assistant. Verify that you receive a response, confirming successful authorization. If you encounter any issues, double-check the API key and endpoint URL. Once confirmed, you are now fully authorized to use IBM Watsonx Assistant in your automation tools. Congratulations, you have completed the authorization process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.